Here's why the Omni chain is the next Ethereum, you can say, since it's solving Ethereum's biggest problem. Okay, so what is Ethereum's biggest problem? So it's not going to be just another L1 that's competing with Ethereum, but in short, it's helping Ethereum communicate with L2s, since Ethereum doesn't have that functionality that it can easily communicate and transfer tokens from each other. In this video, I'll let you all know all the important alphas you'll need to know about Omni chain, when you'll need to buy the coin, and the main thing, though it being a new coin, there'll be big unlocks when we need to keep an eye on the biggest unlocks if we are buying the coin. This video took some extra effort, extra time to gather this information, so if you like content like this, just hit the like button. So now let's go straight to this video. What is Omni chain? Put it simply, the first integrated blockchain connecting all Ethereum rollups. That's in simple term, it's a blockchain connecting with all Ethereum rollups. Okay, so why the rollups need help from Omni chain, you can say. So here's why it needs help. The biggest external threat facing Ethereum is fragmentation caused by rollups. Okay, so what is this fragmentation, you may say? Here's what is fragmentation. The fragmentation problem. Okay, so as you all know that the other Ethereum layers 2s have different programming language, different block size limit, and different hashing technique. So all this, they have all different. So it, as a result, the differentiation has resulted in isolated networks that cannot communicate with each other. Now we all got what's the fragmentation issue and how Omni chain is helping Ethereum's L2 to communicate with each other. In short, while the L2s integrate with Octane network, it even makes the network to work even faster, still maintaining rapid confirmation speed that users have grown accustomed to with centralized sequence. Okay, so there'll be the same speed as centralized sequences. Okay, so what is centralized sequence, you'll ask me? Blockchain that are actually centralized sequence example is Binance chain, Algorand. So all these chains are centralized sequences, that's why they'll be faster. So right now the Octane chain has finished one phase of testnet, two phase on testnet, and the final phase of testnet, which was launched in April 4th. And as of now, your Octane chain is on the launch of mainnet phase 1. Okay, so and there'll be another phase of mainnet which is right here. It's just the beginning of Omni's mainnet rollout. Stay tuned for the next phase in the coming weeks. Okay, so and the next week will be the second phase of mainnet, where it will more probably be the last phase of mainnet. So now let's go straight to the tokenomics. When is the dates that we need to keep in mind that we need to start selling before the VCs sell on us? Okay, so as here you can see, okay, so this green color is the investor and advisor, this dark green is the advisor, this is the investors, which is here light green, and this blue is core contributors. Okay, so this three is the biggest unlocks from here. You can see around 20 plus 30, so 50, so total 90 million unlocks are going to happen. Okay, so 90 million unlocks right here, around 20 million unlocks, 30 million unlocks to 40 million unlocks is going to happen. It's going to happen on March of next year. Okay, so here it's written April 2025. Okay, so it will be on March 2025. We need to start selling all your tokens. This big portion, you can see this full thing is going to get unlocked. So next year, March, we need to start selling all your tokens. Okay, so start of March of next year, we need to start selling all your Omni tokens. Okay, so as of now, the market cap of your Omni chain is around 200 million. Okay, and the fully dilution valuation, which is the main thing we need to keep in mind, is around 1.9 billion. Okay, so there's a lot of VC just going to take profit. Okay, because the fully dilution of this is 1.9 billion. Okay, so on March next year, we need to start selling all the tokens. Okay, we don't need to keep, because more probably all the VCs, they will take their profits. Okay, so the best entries that I'm watching is over here at around this support. Okay, while this being the big support, well, it's around $13.44. Okay, so this entry I'll be waiting to buying all my entries on this support at around $13.50. The best entry, y'all can still buy it at around this, anywhere between this support over here, you can still buy, but the best entry would be this. Okay, and selling it on March of next year. Okay, so if you want any more alphas like this, watch this video next. Okay.